This is so cool. Say hello. 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 Welcome to the vlog. Okay, hey guys, we are at the Botanical Gardens. Jay is here for the weekend, so we're just going to explore.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So
There's like no one here too. This is so cool. Can we go in here? I don't know. Oh, it's locked. No. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. This is so cool. That was so embarrassing.
try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
This is wicked. How cool is this?
No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
It's actually really hot in here. Jay has apparently departed the building.
Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Is that a chicken? I wanted to see if this would look nice, but no. No.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
If anyone has seen Neighbours, this reminds me of the pond near like the general store. Okay, you can't really see, but there's a rainbow.
A faster car, I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else.
Okay, it's raining. It's raining.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Well, I am. It's first time.
Myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
I want the cheesecake. How cute is the piano stand? The pizzeria. Oh, pizzas are good. The return of the Mac to East Street. Good spotting.
Fried chicken.
Cannoli. Oh, I like cannoli. It's called Combi Lane, and I literally want everything. There's so many donuts. It's like, that's so cool.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
Whose idea was that? That is so slimy.
Oh, they've got popcorn chicken, Jay.
Have you ever had a cafe?
Oh, how cute. Thank you. You too. Oh my god. Really? Do I have... I'm trying to see if my chocolate's all over my face still. No. We've come to Ikea.
In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever.
These ones look quite real, hey?
Yeah. I mean, the
Like, oh. That's pretty cool, I like that. Okay, so far I'm getting this, because I like it. That's it. So stressful on a Saturday. I like that color mug. Yeah. I like it.
Nice.
That's so cheap, hey? That's what I want. This is the best bit of Ikea, the plants and candles. I think this is what I want. I don't know.
I'd be laughing too hard.
I'm gonna be devastated if they don't have what I want. Are these real? Yet again, they don't have what I want. These are so cute. I like the baby's breath. Okay, I've decided on these as well. And this is gonna go in that one. I'm gonna have to cut it though. I've never actually bought furniture here. Like, I've only ever bought like things. What was it called? Aisle 2, location 31. I'm getting a bedside table. Huh? 31. Location 31. That's not it. Aisle 2. Oh, no, I took a picture of the mirror. I was looking at the mirror thing.
Yeah.
Oh, such an idiot, honestly.
Well.
Wait, I've got it.
Here. How big is this?
I mean close. Aisle 26, aisle 2, same shit.
That'd fit in your car.
Ooh. I'm just worried like it might. Yeah, I mean we could try. Let's get one of those fun things. Do you reckon that's someone's?
No.
I don't want to steal it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is it heavy? Let me. Oh no. Sit in here, little friend. Are you right? I'm literally not helping out. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. Maybe we should lay it down.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Got me a mirror. Now we need to go to aisle 28. And somehow put something else on that. Wait, Jay, do you want a picture for your vlog of you at Ikea? Struggles of getting your Ikea picture. You gotta leave your trolley behind. Jay, there's just like a trolley here with like snakes. Just like toy snakes. So weird.
Believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Is that it?
looks white.
Looks white, it's in a white box.
Well, I mean, it doesn't say any other colour.
What does this one say? Oh, that's a different one. Yeah, cool.
It's pretty smooth.
Yeah, for like it's not huge. Awesome. Successful Ikea trip. Hey guys, we are just at home before we go to Harry Styles tonight. I'm currently steaming my jumpsuit in the shower because I mean I could try and iron it, but I'm not very good at ironing, so I'm gonna try and steam it in the bathroom. So I'm like, the water's just running on fully hot and we shall see if it works. I'll keep you updated. Digby, say hello. Digby. Oh, how cute.
My name is Harry. It's a pleasure to see you all. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Thank you for spending some time with us. How are you feeling? Maybe I'll drink out of a shoe. I'm not gonna drink out of a bloody shoe, you man! Maybe I'll drink out of a shoe. Maybe towards the end when they're a bit worn in. Oh yeah, now you don't like it. Make up your mind, shoe, no shoe, shoeies. Ridiculous. Shoey is now number 5 reason why I love Australia. It's moved up the list. And the word shoey is number 4, so that's great. Now, disgusting. Absolutely fine.
I was just watching someone's story and they were like talking about donuts, and then I remembered we have Krispy Kremes from last night. This is Reese's peanut butter, that's the strawberry one, and just the original. I think I'm gonna go for this one. This is so good. There is nothing I love more than Reese's. That would have been good if we got here.
Yeah.
What is it? It's a painting. Oh, cute. I like these. Oh my god, I love that dog. We have just come to Wynnum. Not a good time to wear a dress, it's so windy. And then we went to the markets quickly, but they were like closing, so didn't really get anything there. But yeah, everyone getting that shop. My hat, that's the question.